In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the simple steps that I actually follow to earn money online. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo, and thanks to my online business, I was actually able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs without creating my own product, without delivering an own service. I actually do not take any kind of payment. I don't deal with customer service, with tech support, and I'm going to be sharing with you everything here on this video. As I mentioned before, and I'm actually going to be sharing with you these steps that I actually follow in order to earn money online. These are simple steps, and as you can see here, thanks to this strategy, with one product, I was able to earn almost $12,000. And here on another wallet, I earned over $36,000. This is actually possible. I think everybody can do it, but you need to understand that this is not something that is going to be happening overnight. There is a process involved, but everybody can actually do it if you are committed with yourself, if you are committed with your sex. As I told you before, I didn't create my own product. I do not deliver my own service. And actually, as I told you before, I had two full-time jobs, so I did not have much time. Um, I was full of debts, so I did not have a lot of money to put into the business. And I tried to create my very first product, and it took me 6 months to create it, and I got zero sales. So I decided to, you know what, to partner with companies that they do have proven products. And I realized that, you know, that there are a lot of famous companies that we know and we are sharing their products sometimes even in social media, sometimes with our friends, with our family, or even with people that we don't know, and they're willing to pay us. So I decided to go that route, and these are the steps that I follow. First of all, I decided to pick a niche. Okay, what's a niche? A niche is literally a group of people who have something in common, something that they know, they like. The most profitable niches are health, wealth, and relationships. Okay, so these are the most profitable niches. Why is this, Diana? Because whenever you have a problem, you're going to do whatever it takes to solve it. And put it in this way, if you don't feel well, you have any kind of health issue, if it can be even a headache, you're going to do whatever it takes to solve it. If someone told you like, hey, I took this medicine and it actually helped me, or you know what, in order to avoid getting headaches, let's say a migraine, I actually took this supplement on a daily basis, you're going to follow that steps. That's advices. So that's actually the same theme here. So that's the reason why the most profitable online niches are health, wealth, and relationship. That doesn't mean that you cannot promote other products. You can actually do that. I even have friends who are on the gaming niche. That's the thing that they love. I do have other friends who are all around about mattresses. And yeah, you hear right. They actually recommend mattresses online. So you can actually do that route. So now that you have the niche that you're going to go with, okay, you need to pick your core product. Where you can find products to promote? Well, you can go to a marketplace such as ClickBank. Okay, you can go to a marketplace such as ClickBank, and here on ClickBank, you have a tons of products that you can actually promote. This can be physical or digital products. I'm actually going to be working on this example with this one that is called Dead Woodworking. This is a product that I used to promote in the past, and I know it's really, really good. But I want to show you that popular brands do have what we call an affiliate program. For example, here in Nike, they do have an affiliate program, and they say that they are willing to pay people up to 15% commission. Okay, and everybody can apply. This is another marketplace that you can join, which is CJ. You go with that marketplace and you're gonna have famous brands. Also here on Amazon, I decided to go and promote this water bottle. You're gonna see here that here at the top, I do have my affiliate bar, because I'm an affiliate of Amazon. I can earn a commission of 4.5% every single time someone click my link and they purchase this water bottle. So I'm not creating this water bottle. Someone else is doing it. Someone else is delivering it. They're doing the shipping and handling, they're doing the customer service, they are taking the payments and all this stuff. So I'm not doing this. I do not create the water bottle. I don't have it in a warehouse. The water bottle, the only thing that I'm doing is recommending. If I like it, that's the thing that I'm going to be doing. So you're going to pick your core product. It can be any product, but please make sure that you're going to choose one that you really like, that you really enjoy. So let's say that I'm going to go with this one, Ted Woodworking. This is a product that has been for some time. This is it gives us the opportunity to earn up to 125%, up to $125 per sale with a conversion rate of 11%. What does conversion means? It means that for every 100 people, 11 make the purchase. Okay? They give up the opportunity to earn from several products, and I'm going to show you more about that here. So they have the main offer. The main offer is actually $67. If people say no, that they're not gonna, make the purchase for $67, they do what they call a down sale, which is $49. Then they do have an upsell here for $39.95, a down sale for $27, then an upsell here for $39.97. They have a recurring product for $27 a month, and they're testing other things. So they give us everything, a lot of information about this. This is actually going to be our affiliate link, which we can actually get it here. If we go here where it says get your affiliate link, okay, here you can actually do this, okay, and okay, they do have several things that we can do. We can, for example, we can actually offer free plans. That's actually really good because we're not doing the sale. We're literally telling people like, hey, you're going to have these free plans for free. Okay. And they are giving us some other information that if we want it. Okay. So this is actually a great product. I know it from before. So I already have my core product, so I can promote other products as well, okay? But this is going to be my main product. Now, I need to create a two-step system, okay? I don't need to be a web designer, web developer, have any kind of technical skill. The only thing that I need to do is that I'm going to be using a tool. It's a 100% tool. I'm going to be leaving the link below. It's called System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing solution. You have a free account using the link that is actually in the description. And yeah, you hear it right. It's a free account. It's not a free trial. Literally, it's a free account and you can do everything with it. Okay. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So with that said, let's say that you already opened your System.io account. So you are going to have something like this, except for the fact that you're not going to have this amount of funnels. So you're going to go here where it says sites. Then you're going to click here where it says sales funnels. You're going to click here where it says create. You're going to put a name. The name here is just for your internal use. You're going to choose the domain. Okay. They can connect the domain for you for free. Okay. And you're going to click here where it says build an audience. Then you're going to click here where it says save. And this is what we are going to be doing. Okay. We're going to be clicking here on the page and we are going to be choosing the page that they are actually gonna fill out the information. This is drag and drop. It's super easy, super simple. And then they're gonna go to this page, which is the thank you page. They're gonna receive, in this case, the free plans that we are gonna be offering. Remember that on Ted Woodworking, they're giving us that. And there we're gonna put our affiliate link. Okay, that's how it's actually work. After that, we need traffic, which is basically eyeballs. We are going to be needing people who are going to be looking for the information. In this case, for example, you can actually drive traffic from, and the word, you don't have to show your face if you don't want to, from TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. You can be blogging, you can be creating a Pinterest account, and remember that you're gonna send them to the capture page that we already created. Then we're gonna have the bridge page. Okay, this can be a video, this can be a text, and here we are gonna put the link. Okay, our special link. I already showed you where you're gonna get it. And the cool thing about this is that this is actually what was key when I was looking to replace my 9 to 5, because, and remember that I had to, because um, this is actually working for me 24/7, and it can be promoting the same product over and over and over and over and over. And since you have a lot of opportunities with other products that you can promote as well, you can add them here. Okay, so you're gonna have multiple products that are gonna be helping you earn money online. And this is actually a process that has been working for me for years. And nowadays, we do have a lot of opportunities because we can partner with every company that we want. And because we know that there are, you know, passionate about certain topic, okay, you can also offer other products. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and I see you guys in the next video.